guys, Fanciful here. Welcome back to another episode from the Instructables website. Today, we're making a physics-bending, floating piece of trash. It's a floating table. To make this, you need some cardboard, some fishing line, a pencil, a knife set, and a Sharpie. Let's begin. First thing we're going to do is cut all of the cardboard pieces out. Next, we're going to start gluing together, making sure that everything is properly secured in its correct place. All of your pieces are put together, we're going to start assembling the table. You put some fishing line on the trash. I mean table. And it's that simple. Look at this. A marvelous piece of engineering. Isn't it grand? Let's find a nice place for it. Thanks so much for watching. Check back soon to see another episode from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me. Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.